Niggas rebar. Here it comes. Fuck yeah. And then another bucket just to rinse. Put him back over here, top up a bit of the oil, use some tire shine. Sweet. Alright, so you're probably wondering what the go is with the ute. And so, she is a 2002 model. She was manufactured in November 2002. 6-speed manual, factory manual, LS1, beautiful beast of a thing. 260,000 Ks roughly, 262 or something. It's pretty much dead stock, besides 3-inch catback exhaust with rear muffler deletes, lowered pulled and rolled guards, steelies, and an alloy intake pipe with a pod filter. Oh, and air horns. So she's not bad. Pod in the box, and the air horns. So we'll give her a good little bath and see how she comes out. The slap's supposed to be there. And she's looking not too bad. It's not the cleanest thing, but it's fucking fun, and it's a mad daily. And so I know a lot of people are going to ask what the plans are with it. For now, not a lot, because turbo VS things Beamer's leaving pretty soon as well. Got a new rig coming for the missus. But yeah, so got the SS because, well, it was about time I fucking got one. As you can tell by the title of the video. It's one of the biggest things commented on the channel. Get an LS, stop fucking with V6s, this and that. But I'm still going to fuck with my V6s and I'm going to have an LS as well. So best of both worlds. And basically we're going to take this to the track pretty much as it is, like stock, manual. It's still got the stock clutch in it, like it's legit stock with like P-plater mods. Like it's just an exhaust, intake and springs. That's it. And so take it to the track, see how she goes, throw it around a little bit, and then do a couple of upgrades to it. I want to put a hydro e-brake in it, put a line locker on a switch, put an angle kit up front. I already have some goodies for the diff on the way. Upgrade the diff gears a bit, locker in the rear, and eventually a cam and head package. But again, that's like way down the track because Turbo VS is priority right now. I just got this because it was a good opportunity. And speaking of how I got this, shout out to Manny the Mad Dog, because now I've had this ute for like 6 weeks or so. And when I got it, I swapped Manny the Prado and 5 grand cash for the ute. And so he's put that money towards the other ute that he has. I'm not even sure if I have any clips, but if I do have some clips, I'll put it in now. Bruh.
Just a little bit low.
Oofed.
One boy.
Bro, it's too sick.
It's off tap.
Dead set.
Fucking know it.
And basically he has this ute as a shell. It's full bagged. Everything just needs a drivetrain. So I was like, oh yeah, I like your red one. You should sell me that and build your other big boy one. And basically that's what he's done. He's put that money towards building this other one and he got it running just this past weekend. So I'm fucking G'd up about that. So sick. Keen to see another ute, another LS powered BUT on the channel. We have Aiden's VYS V8 as well. Fuck, we've got some goodies coming. We've got Jaden and his mad VS Stato that he got. We've got Brennan and he's got a VS wagon he's building for Summer Nats. Like there's so much cool shit going on, boys. Holy shit. Keen to get up to date. But anyways, hope you enjoy the first little bits and pieces of when we got this beauty. And it was all like, I wasn't going hard on filming and talking about it because I was so far behind. I was just doing what I could here and there. It's hard when you're not going to edit the video later that day sort of thing. But anyways, I hope it all turns out alright and you boys like it. And here she is, the beauty. And now with the stickers and stuff on the website, guys, I've been really having to deal with some bullshit with the stickers. I tried to change my supplier and it's not really working out. They can't do what I want. And so I'm having to go back to my old supplier, and the reason I was changing is because it takes like 6 weeks once I order stickers for them to be done and sent to me. And so now I'm gonna have to go through that process, but they're on their way. If you do want to show some love right now, we've got the lanyards on the website. That's about it at the moment. So I appreciate all you legends that have showed support so far, and anyone that does show support in the future. You guys really are helping out the channel. And yeah, we'll get into the video. She looks bloody good, tucked away in its parking spot. Not bloody bad, I reckon. She's a beauty.
Oh shit!
Just roll over it, yeah. And then the berm.
I can't ride that good.
Alright lads, so we're just out here, you know, got the Prati. Fucking mighty Prati, mate. How good is it? How good is it? You liking it?
So good.
He's liking it, he's liking it. And we got ourselves a mighty good fucking tyre fitting machine. In the good old SS, you know. But yeah, I reckon this should come in handy for us and the boys. I don't know. I think it might be put up to some good use, this one. And yeah, this fucking beauty came from our good friend Jace over at All Gears Towing. You would have known he's moved both the Turbo VS and the other VS. And so once again, go check him out on Facebook. And if you ever need a tow or anything along those lines, hit him up. We have police rolling up on us right now. Oh, I think you're in the road. They just rolled past. That's gold. I think they're just gonna sit there now. That's cool. Alright, survived. Fucking someone swung the ute. Hey, look at that. Oof. Time machine near took a fucking dive.
Got a bit rowdy.
Beautiful, beautiful, mate.
A bit howdy. Let's get rowdy.
Yeah, that's the go. Fucking tire machine, yep, now we got a set for it to change, yep, fuck, sweet.
Show 'em this.
Oh, yeah, no worries about that.
No problems at all, mate.
That's the custom high jib slap.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Drift stitch that can up, all goods. So how is it that this fucking dolly here can move the whole rear end of a VX SS shell, but it can't cop the tyre machine? Because the cunt snapped it off! Nah, I will admit, that's because we fucking got it out of the tailgate real cooked, and then it went onto the dolly, like we dropped it, and it was not sitting anywhere near level or how we wanted. But yeah, boys, she's a fucking big dog. Manny,
Yeah.
I think we're just gonna have to manhandle this cunt in, eh?
Me too, alright.
It's only gotta go just there. Just there.
Thank fuck.
Yeah, fuck. Alright. Alright. Now that should do him for now. We'll get a tarp, throw it over him tomorrow, and get myself a compressor real soon. And once I'm actually able to start going through sets again, I won't have to pay 15-20 bucks a tyre to get them changed. So I'm bloody keen on that. And we can be like, oi, fucking anyone needs tyres changed? Yeah, boys, 10 bucks a tyre. Fucking come around.
He'll soon make his money back.
So I fucking pulled into Refco down here in Fishwick, mate. And our mate Jaden's not happy with the headlights here. So he's... Oh. He's having a good go. Fuck, eh?
Shit's fucking amazing.
Yeah, I can see. You can see all the shit. That's crazy. Already, that's fucking miles of difference. So what is this stuff? Lens clear, headlight restoration. Wow.
So you leave that stuff on, let it like set pretty much,
Yeah,
and it'll just stay like
that's fucking awesome.
that. It's amazing how much better it makes the car look.
Legit. But yeah, I pulled in down here at Repco Auto 1 because I'm going to Repco to get all the oils and filters and everything. We're going to do a good service on it today. The gearbox is going to get flushed and changed. Gearbox oil, not the gearbox. And yeah, we're going to do the engine oil, engine filter, and see how she goes tonight. See how that goes. Fucking not bad. Oh. Do you guys want to do some more stuff for my car? Alright. Oh, Oh, he was on 3 wheels. I heard that splutter. Time to service a ute, boy. Big dog. Yeah. Bro, it's full Arab spec. I fucking love that car.
Full Arab spec.
Yeah,
Fucking neighbour's gonna hate you, cunt.
He's fucking beauty.
Very fucking rare.
Yeah, I'll go open the shed. Alright, go on, mate. See if she fucking eats it. Oh, you beauty! Yes, bud. Gorgeous. Fucking set. I mean, a little bit off on this side, but she'll be right. She'll be right.
Yeah, I put the style up on ramps the other day and I just sent the cunt to the fucking door.
Yeah. Just fucking go until it's in the centre sill. You'll be right in that thing.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Oi, is it near touching in the bum?
Oh, you got one of them fucking plates.
Oh boy, so once again went to start the job and didn't have all the bits we needed. Also,
now we've got it all nice and hot under there.
yeah, all nice and warm. Jaden drove it. What do you think, mate? Stock LS?
Needs a cam.
Needs a cam. Oh, yeah, that looks safe.
That's safe. Yeah, it's got half tire on it.
Yeah, that's what I say about my tread. What do you mean, officer? Half the tread's still there.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
But it's time to service the beauty.
Surely we just fucked this off.
Nah, I like it there. Cleans it up. I need clips.
Get another clip.
Need clips. Fucking hell. I don't know if that has the same sort of clips. No, it doesn't.
No.
Yeah, it's not bolted in.
Alright, now we've got it all nice and hot so we can burn ourselves.
Yep,
We'll be
yep.
sweet.
We're real good goers with this bloke saying so. What are we gonna do first? Gearbox, yeah. Let the engine bay cool down a bit. Fucking hell. Fuck, this thing's cool, but it's
That was a penis pump.
yeah, the penis pump.
Lots of degreaser.
Lube. Special lube.
Tools.
Fister.
But you know what the best part about these boxes are?
What?
You only need that.
Oh, it's a straight. Yeah, bud. That's gangster. It's a little bit fucking filthy. Oh, I see it.
Where?
Right here. Right next to that bolt.
Oh, yep. That's right.
Fuck, it's grotty under here, mate. The oil's gotten a bit low and thinning out. It seems. Straight pissing out.
I need them I need an extension.
Fuck. Ugh. Oh, the keys. At the extendos.
Oh, wait up. Oh, no, it is this one. Oh, I might help if I had the actually on the right way.
Mad cunt.
That always tends to help. Yeah. You ready, Matt, to see a very little amount of oil?
It's going to be very little and very burnt because it's very little.
And because it's the wrong oil too.
Yeah, look.
Oh no, it is Dex 3. It is very burnt, but holy fuck.
Yeah, look at that.
Very thin.
That's Dex 3, no additive.
Look at how thin that is, cunt.
That's what I mean. It's
It's
full
like water.
Yeah, it's fucking thin the fuck out of it. Some pliers. Cut him open. So we're going to put some Lucas oil additive in for the gearbox with some 70-75 gear oil. I know you can run Dex 3, but for this series box I feel like it's going to be better with the gear oil and additive.
Yeah.
And it had Dex 3 in it and it was not very nice.
That's what's recommended from Repco. So
yeah.
for the Penrite range, so that's what we're going to stick with.
Yep. And then I was reading forums and stuff, and this has eliminated a lot of hard shifting and gearbox noise, and also can be used in your engine for cold starts to stop valve train noise and lifter tick and whatnot.
Just general cold start with it.
Yeah, and basically it'll just sit in places the oil won't sit so early.
Did you cut it off?
Didn't. And yeah, so we're just gonna do, like, it's got percentages you're supposed to mix it with, like 25% of the gearbox oil, etc. but we're going to do 500 mils because the T56 takes 4.4 litres. So we're going to do 500 mils of the additive and the rest gearbox fluid.
Welcome.
Why do they child-proof car things? We're not children. Let us breathe.
Fuck me.
Yeah, so we're going to do half of it in the gearbox and then half of it in the engine as well, because it's good for both.
Fucking thick boy.
Yeah, that's what we need. Help
Ready?
those synchros. Yeah, bud. Yeah, bud. So this is the same...
It's like honeycomb.
Yeah. This is the same thing that you do with the T5. They can run Dex 3 or gear oil, but no matter what, you need additive, otherwise you're just playing a dangerous game. It's like having Milo without a spoon.
It's like taking a shit without dung paper.
Exactly. You can get it done, but I mean, it's not going to be a good time.
Yeah.
Oh no.
She's a squirter.
Fuck, that's sick looking.
That is so thick.
Straight honey. Damn, boy, he's thick. Now we'll penis pump him in. She's gonna be loving it. Oh, also did some headlight restoration on it when I pulled up at Jaden's work earlier today to get all this stuff. He pulled out that little kit. How good does it look now? So much better. Smells like burnouts.
I wonder why.
Penis pump going on.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, boys, show Jaden some love in the comments. He's the fucking LS guru, and he's helping me out big time with this ute.
I can tell you right now, after working in a workshop, doing this shit on the ground.
You don't enjoy it much, do you?
Not on the ground, not anymore.
No. But yep, fill him up until it comes out that fucking hole. Oh look, it even says it there, use Dexron 3. ATF only. Yep, I like how you mentioned the additive it fucking needs too, eh? Because that ATF that just came out of it was, I reckon water had more consistency to it, because that shit was straight.
Literally
Just fucked.
fuck, I guess rebar. Here it comes.
Fuck me, boys. She done well. Done real fucking well. One skid. And these tyres, fuck, they done well smoking up. Like, holy shit. And now, to get the goodies out of the boot of this VS, chuck them in the tray of this one, and we'll get these bashers out and put them in the boot. And yeah, the good boys out of that boot. Going down to get some new tyres, going down to see Jaden, because he has just had some fresh tyres come in. Alright, got the wheels out. So these freshies, 17s, they're pretty concave, like sort of dished a bit. I reckon they're going to look sick on the ute. These wheels have to go off, go back to my mate. I'm just going to leave those in the back for now, just cause, just fuck it. Kind of hope I get pulled over and asked about it, because that'll be a fucking funny time. Because you can't get done for having tyres in the back and having slap on your car. They never seen you do shit. You can just say, yeah mate, it's down to my mate's backyard, fucking slapping sets, you know? What are you going to do about it? But yeah, so Jaden had a bloke come in today. He's got a new car and it said it was vibrating and this and that, so he wanted new tyres and brakes done. And the tyres coming off his are still good. So 4 tyres for the Steelies. And then I've got 2 15s sitting. They're 15s blown. Those 2 tyres right there can go onto those stockies, so that's sweet. But we'll go get this sorted now, and we'll go out and see Brennan the mad cunt. We made it, boys. Is that the mad dog himself? Is that fucking Jaden mad dog? Oi, here they are, lad. As if you get these changed.
You know what it is? There's 4 different brands.
Oh, and old mate wanted matching freshies.
Yeah.
Fuck that, they're just gonna get sent. I'll cop them.
Fucking punch repair kit is. I would be very happy.
That's fat. Holy shit. They're fucking really good. Should get those Steelies on the ute pretty nice. Pretty nice. Speaking of pretty nice, look at all the fucking clubbies in here. How beautiful. Seriously. Ooh. And the mighty fucking cruise. No. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, nah, a couple commies, and then we got Jaden in a Porsche. As you do. Nah, that's the joys of working in a shop like this, boys. You get to drive so much cool shit. Oh well, it depends where or what shop you're at. Most of the time you're in something like that, and that, and that. But then you get the big dogs, and the big dogs, and the big dogs, and the Porsches, and the SSEs. But he's got 2 new 15s here. Not new, but better than that. And then for these ones over here, the good dogs lying on the floor over there. Keen. Beautiful. Just get into it, mate, get into it. Oh damn. Oh damn. I'm excited. Like, I've had these for so long and they're just rims.
Did you buy them for
Black and white. Yeah, yep.
Yeah, they look chunky.
They do look chunky. What the fuck? It's because of that little lip. Like,
Yeah.
they're not overly dished, but
Fuck yeah. I'll pick the best 2.
yeah,
Just balance them 2.
yeah.
The front runners. And
Front. Balance him.
balancing.
Unbalancing. To rebalance.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's how it works.
They're not overly buckled, so that's a good thing.
That is good.
Steelies are normally like always buckled.
Yeah, Steelies get pretty abused. They're looking good. Gave him a quick rub with a cloth, and mate, not bad, not bad. They're gonna look so sick on the ute. Oh, look at that. He's weighted. Come on, son. Come on, son. Oh, he's fucking good. These machines amaze me, to be honest. Oh, there we go. Not bad.
You've been holding on to them for years.
I have had these wheels. I got these from Newcastle.
Yeah, you got more skids.
Dead skidders, more skidders. And the best part, they're fucking 195s.
They're 195/65, so they're slightly narrower, like the same sort of percentage, I guess.
Yeah. Let's see the master at work. How to remove a fucked tyre. Hey, got him. Not bad, not bad. It would be very old.
11 for the 4th, 74.
Holy shit, these tyres are from 74? Because these tyres were discontinued by Bridgestone. They used to be $3.25 a tyre. Because these ones were the ones you could get in different colours of smoke.
Oh.
They were the first ones Bridgestone did in coloured smoke.
Yeah.
But these were just plain white smoke, obviously.
Yeah.
But yeah, I remember old mate was so G'd up when I was buying them, telling me how they're so sick and all this, and I was like, bro, they're just skidders.
Yeah.
They're on the interceptors. I care more about the wheels. Holy shit.
No wonder they fucking smoke up the way they did. You're gonna see that every day.
Jesus. Tyres that are 46 years old.
And you got them off the back of an SS.
And we sent the cunts.
Yeah, they're 15 years old.
Yeah. 15-year-old car sending 45-year-old tyres. Ew. Does. Because I had the heater on in the skid.
Yeah.
So it's all in the vents. Really needs a polish, boys. I sort of half buffed the front end and it made such a difference, but it's just the front end. Ooh, just. Yeah, it's a bit of a dicky angle. Just keep coming back. There we go. Still off a bit, but she'll be alright. Up she goes. First time looking underneath this rig too.
Fuck those valves. valve cover pissing off.
Yeah, shit. They fucking are too. So it has valve cover leaks that we've got to get sorted. We'd sort of half degreased underneath the car yesterday, but it was pretty dark when we did degrease it. So
Did a bit of an average job.
yeah, and didn't even have a hose, just degreaser in a bucket. But she's gonna get there, boys. Oh. Oh, they're sick. Oh, they're probably gonna scrub. I'm hoping it just cambers in enough. Let's see. Let's see. Do we need to massage some guards here today, boys? I think we do. I don't think the camber's going to be that much to help it. Oh, I think we're good. It just tilts it in enough. That's gonna scrub. Yeah. Alright, so back up she goes. We're just gonna fold these in a little bit because it's just that end lip bit, like just there, that'll touch. We can just get that up instead of flat. Just curve him up. Should be alright. Because then even if it does scrub and they're curved up, it won't really eat the tyre. It'll just give us a nice little smell.
And then you just need to fiddle with your fucking tyre.
Your offsets and shit, yeah. Get some skinnier 17s.
Instead of 205s.
Yeah.
What are these? These are 215s. So if you can instead of 205s.
It's just because these are offset pretty fat to sit out.
100%.
Get the mallee. Oh, it just smells like summer nuts, boys. I'm just getting flashbacks. I fucking love this car.
By the way, your paint's had a crack, but...
Geez, does it look like I care about the paint on this guard, Jaden?
Not really, no.
This is exactly what I did to my Turbo VS. No worries. Yeah, the Turbo VS, if you look at the guards on that, the paint's cracked all along the bottom here and they're legit folded flat on the inside, cunt. Because that thing was low as shit. Honestly. It's folding good.
Yeah.
Slowly.
How my feet again. Always happens.
Now, of course, boys, there is a proper way to do this, and you heat up your guard and you get a guard roller and you do all that, but look at the fucking guard. Does it look like this needs it? Because the only time this ute's gonna look... Yeah, the only time this ute's gonna look good again is if it gets resprayed or wrapped, because it's not gonna look good anytime soon. Alright, boys, take two. See how this goes. Give him a jump.
Good now.
Oh, mate, I reckon we're pretty set. Alright, boys. I think the black and white's gonna look so sick.
Especially on the red.
Yeah, honestly. Alright, see how she goes. Oh, that's fat. That's fucking sick. See why I want to get semi-slicks on the front? Because it'll fill out that guard so nice.
Yeah. It'll drop down too once you move.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, what do you mean? This isn't a skid car. How'd you come to that conclusion, Jaden? Don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, yeah. That's gangster, boys. Fuck yeah. I've been so keen to get tyres on these wheels and chuck them on. Yeah, it's pretty fucked. Jaden, you're getting called out. You're in charge here today too, aren't you? Yeah, bud.
That wasn't me, that was you.